Welcome to Vishwa Techloy YouTube channel. So today in this video I will be explaining the complete details about the Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. So how to apply it, what are the requirement things, so how much cashback you will be getting, and what is the annual charge. So in this video I am going to explain in detail, friends. So before going to the video, if you are still not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So now let's get into the topic. So first of all, open the Flipkart app. So once you open the app, so tap on the search icon. So here you need to search the Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. So just click on it. So once you click on it, on the top, as you can see here, Flipkart Axis Bank credit card, so unlimited cashback. So just tap on it. So once you tap on it, here you will be getting all the complete information. So as you can see here, you can get up to 5% unlimited cashback, friends. So it means that if you are ordering for the, so let us think, if you are ordering for the like 1 lakh rupee of product, so something product in the Flipkart, so you will be getting the 5,000 rupees of cashback from it. So like that, how much you may order from it, so you will be getting the 5% instant 5% of cashback from the Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. So this is a Flipkart Axis Bank credit card, friends, not an from the completely from the Axis Bank. So it is tie up with the Flipkart, and you will be getting the welcome bonus as 3000 plus, and you will be getting the no cost EMI on all the products in the Flipkart. So all 365 days, friends. So complete 365 days you will be getting the no cost EMI. So and also there are some benefits available. So as you can see here, flat 5% unlimited cashback. So Flipkart, Myntra and Too Good. So this are all of the from the Flipkart itself, and also you will be getting the 500 of gift voucher on your first transaction. So let us think that once you get the credit card, you can apply, you can order anything, you will be getting the Flipkart gift voucher for the free of cost for the welcome bonus. So and also, and there are flat 4% cashback of PVR and Make My Trip and the Swiggy and the Uber. There are some other options, and also you will be getting the on the offline stores, you will be getting the 1.5% cashback on all the offline and online transaction. This is the 1.5 for others. So rest you will be getting the 5 and the 4 flat cashback. And also who is eligible, so if you are a employee, so you need to have a minimum of 20,000 or more salary, or else if you are a self-employed, you need to have a minimum of 35,000 or more than it, so you can apply it. So this is the eligible criteria. So and also you can apply it. So they have been explained in detail. So as you can see here, so the cashback how you will be getting, so you can pause the video and you can watch it, and let us scroll down below. So as you can see here, they have been mentioned the 3000 plus benefits, worth of benefits, and save around 19,000 or more for annual. So as you can see here, you can watch this video, and also you will be getting, and the what is the annual charges. Annual fee is just 500 rupees to enjoy all the benefits. So if you are shopping for the 10,000 per year, it means that there will be no annual charge in the Flipkart, friends. If you charge for the purchase for any product for the 10,000 worth of 10,000 or more, you will be getting the 5%. It means that 500 rupees you will be saving over there. So if you are purchasing if you are doing the online shopping more, so it is the best thing to apply the credit card. So Flipkart Axis Bank credit card, so it is the annual fee, no hidden charges will be there, and the bill of your first month statement, and the next month if you are spending the 2 lakhs, so if you are spending the more than 2 lakh, there will be no annual charge also. And also how to apply it, so as you can see here in the below, friends, you will be getting an option called view details. So here you will be getting an option called apply now. So once you click on it, you need to fill the requirement details, your name, PAN card, and what are the salary, how much your salary you are getting, and what is your if you have a self-employed, what's your company name. That are some basic details it will ask. So you need to enter all the basic details. So once you enter the basic details, the agent will be visit to your location, and he will be you need to submit the requirement details like Aadhaar card, PAN card, some requirements. So minimum requirement details, you can submit that, and you can do the KYC, and you will be getting the Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. So these are the benefits, friends. You can, if you are purchasing more in the Flipkart, you can just buy the products, you can just order this Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please let me know your opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you, friends, thank you for watching this video.